Row Zero makes it easy to connect your Snowflake instance to a powerful spreadsheet designed for big data. To connect to Snowflake, I'll click the data icon in the top right and click Add Connection. And I'll select Snowflake as my connection type. And for my connection details, for account identifier, this is a combination of your organization name and account name combined with a hyphen, and you can find those by logging into Snowflake and looking at the URL. And it's going to be org name here and account name here, and you just combine those with a hyphen, and that's your account identifier. Put in your username and password and hit test connection. And as long as I get a green light, that means I'm connected and good to go. Select my role and warehouse, and then hit create connection. And now that I'm connected, I can insert a connected table, and I'll select my database and schema and write a simple SQL statement. Click run. And Row Zero can easily import millions of rows on a free plan and billion row datasets on enterprise plans. This is a dataset of 31 million rows of hospital admissions data from the state of New York. And it imports into this connected table. This is a feature unique to Row Zero that makes it easy to work with big dynamic datasets. And all of the data is in here. And if I want, I can even explode the data into kind of normal spreadsheet mode. I can control down, and you can see I'm on row 31 million. I'm going to undo that though and go back to my connected table. Connected tables give you a dynamic condensed view of the data, so you can easily view, filter, sort, and format big data sets. You can also add calculated columns, so I can divide total charges divided by length of stay to get my average daily charges, and I can give that a title and format both of these. You can also write Excel compatible formulas, so let's look at the sum of total charges, and I can format that. So you can see it works just like a typical spreadsheet, just can handle much bigger data sets, and it's dynamically connected to your Snowflake data. If I right click on the connected table, it opens a context menu, and I have some additional options here. I'm going to create a pivot table, just drop it in right here, and I'm going to look at the total charges by year by admissions type to columns, and sum of total charges. It's going to give me my pivot table, and I can quickly format this. Let's look at billions here, and I'm going to remove this column, not available, just to make the data a little cleaner. And I can easily chart this. So I'll insert a chart, and we'll make this a stacked bar chart. And what's unique about this is my chart, my pivot table, my connected table, everything stays in sync. And so if I come up here and let's say look at where length of stay is greater than or equal to 5, you can see everything below is going to automatically filter and update. So my pivot table and my chart dynamically updated, everything stays in sync. And if I click on my connected table, I can also rerun my query to get the latest data, and I can schedule auto updates. So if I want to automatically update my data, let's say every morning at 6 a.m., I can do that. And when the new data comes in, it's going to automatically update the connected table, and it's going to automatically update everything downstream. So my pivot tables, my charts, my formulas, everything dynamically updates. And at any point, I can write back to Snowflake as a new table. So whether I've transformed my connected table, or let's say I want to write back my pivot table, I can easily do that. I just right click and export to Snowflake. So as you can see, Row Zero makes it very easy to create big dynamic spreadsheets that are connected to Snowflake and auto update. You can try Row Zero for free at rowzero.io and see why Row Zero is the best spreadsheet for big data.